tips with the evening shift, but you always stashed us some beer. Sun went down behind the Simon's back door. Man, that place has been gone for a year. Now there's a place where they make great steaks and they're open any time of day. Eat some food and play some tunes and hear some harmonicas play. You take the express to the city, kick out your corner office view. You might be rich and pretty, I'll never be jealous of you. You take your breakfast burritos, don't let anyone better pause. Gonna get my fill at the dirty grill in the morning when the sun leaves the fire. Sun leaves the fire. In the woods behind town without making a sound, you just go track down some deer. The wind wail down the dead man's trail. Man, that song ain't been sung for years. But the chief had a camp away, danced in the trance every morning at the break of dawn. They ran the flames and stopped the game till that tradition went on and on. On and on. Head off and work your day job, out your corner office view. Look at me like a snob, I'll never be jealous of you. Have your Starbucks latte, we'll be eating chicken slaw. But we're just up the hill at the dirty grill in the morning where the sun licks the pois. Sun licks the pois. Tessa on the turnpike, tap dance across the Tappan Zee. 10,000 on the smart bike, you're not better than me. Have your ice cold monster, put over whatever you will. We shall dine in style and all the while eat a lunch at the dirty grill. The dirty grill. Yeah, we chillin' like a villain, do some dirty grilling. I'll be feeling good, I'll be feeling groovy. Gonna light my fire, write myself into the movie.